Sa Makulay Highway.
What's up? What's up?
Paano masabi?
So what up mga guys? So nandito tayo sa take over po tayo mga guys.
Panibagong araw! Panibagong araw!
Mua! Manay, vlog ni Erwin.
Yes!
What up mga kaigan? Nakina nyo.
Hi kay Team Ratvu.
What's up guys? Tournament na! Bere. Banga na, banga.
Sos!
Wala ka tungas ako ah.
Now to Bisaya, I'm officially Tagalog English person.
Yes.
Yo, subscribe to my channel, yo, link down below, yo, Miss Vlog, Miss Vlog.
Nice game bro. Pantay ba ito boy? Cinematic ha? Nakay. Hey, wala pa!
Hey, relax your pussy. Relax your
Mga
pussy.
choy, mga choy.
Relax your pussy.
Hey.
Mabasa niya, landong ra quick.
Kapag i-brave dala.
Zoom that pussy.
Copy.
Dami! Wah, pogi.
Pogi. Ayun si Miguel. So, what up mga choy? So, nandito po kami sa restaurant. And so, subscribe.
Yes, boy!
Comment daw.
Nandito kami sa basketball court at madami silang ginagawa. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Blue Molina. Wow. At doon yung mga kaklase ko, nagbabasketball sila. At doon naman na side, naghahanda sila ng mga laro namin. At doon, nag-refill sila ng mga water balloon. Yeah, saya namin. Tingnan nyo. Ano? Wow! This is Brendan Moreja. Oh, see that? Green Giant.
Supportive friend.
Change profile.
Mua.
Where are we going? Biko. Draw Serena. Wow! What a beautiful mermaid. Chanchay.
What up mga choy?
So guys, papunta na po kami sa Gold Beach at tingnan nyo sila oh. Sobrang dami namin, parang kaming mga ants. You know what is ants? Ants is a insect. What is an insect? It's an insect. Yeah. Woo!
Swimming in December, heading for the city lights. 975, we sharing each other, nearer than farther. The scent of the lemon drips from your eyes.
Bicol Banggol.
Biko. Serena, wow! What a beautiful mermaid. Nabikugan.
Ayo, yun Medic ambulance!
Di naman ako fuckboy.
Sabihan na sa ilalim ng
Sa dilaw na buwan.
ilalim ng puting ilaw. Sa dilaw ng buwan. Uy! Retreat! Retreat! Ayodora! Anong ginagawa niyang mga
So kami lang tulo ni Lou Lambert. Ay, napili si Shannon din. Wow.
So, ako ay si Lambert Monton.
Oh my
Sa
God!
baba.
Aray ko.
Basta wala, good. Kani nga did, dyan ako na siya malimtan kay isa na siya sa pinaka-importante nga wala day. Papo ka siya, so mag-ilis ako. Bye!
Will you count me in? I've been awake for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. 'Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tingles in a silly place. It starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. The rain is falling on my window pane, but we are hiding in a safer place. Undercover, staying dry and warm. You give me feelings that I adore. They start in my toes, make me crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. But what am I gonna say when you make me feel this way? I just, and it starts in my toes, makes me crinkle my nose. Wherever